Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make wholemeal margherita pizza. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna preheat the oven at temperature number 5 for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna sprinkle flour on the counter. Gently stretch. The recipe I'm using is this one. You can find the link on the description box and in the end of this video. I'm gonna transfer to a pizza pail. Add tomato sauce. Grated Parmesan cheese. Mozzarella cucina. Basil leaves. And cook for about 5 minutes. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!